Summerhill Pyramid Winery in Kelowna, BC has unveiled its new 2013 vintages, the first to be made with a new process that eliminates most of the sulphites in their wine. Winemaker Eric von Krosigk says the main reason for this new process is to improve the taste.
If you've ever lit a match, you know what sulfur smells like, and it has a smell, it has a taste, so we want to reduce that influence, on any of our wines. Taking
out the sulphites results in a wine that is more true to the grapes that go into it.
You can smell the difference, and then you can taste the difference. It's just in the freshness itself.
Right.
It's a lot more vibrant. Like, the less you add, the better it gets and the better it tastes.
To do this, Summerhill has installed a nitrogen compressor in the winery. It pulls nitrogen from the atmosphere, which is then pumped into the top of the wine tanks. Oxygen is pushed out, so there is less risk of oxidation. That means von Krosigk can use a lot less sulfites in the wine, ranging from 25% less in some wines up to 90% for the newly released Ehrenfelser.
At some point, the ingredient sticker will just say grapes, so we'll be using natural yeast, natural nutrient. So we're still working on balancing our soils and getting our microbes working properly, so so we don't need anything. But to this point, we're not going to sacrifice any wine, saying, because we're all so high and mighty about it. Because, there's a reason they've been using sulfur for 5,000 years in winemaking, is it works.
Our taste test of the Ehrenfelser, Gewürztraminer, and Pinot Noir confirms there is a much fresher, fruit-forward taste in the new vintages. Another benefit is longer shelf life and better aging properties.
Ultimately, the more oxygen it sees in the beginning of its lifetime, you've just taken that age off the end of your lifetime. So the more oxygen it gets, the shorter the shelf life or the lifespan of the wine gets.
Summerhill is not the only winery in the world to try and reduce the use of sulfites, but their approach is among the most successful so far. Von Krosigk says the winery has decided to share the details of its process with other wineries, so we could soon see a major difference in wine production in the Okanagan Valley in years to come. Gary Simmons for winetraveler.org.